Hello everyone, here we are again for another exciting DIY project. I will be making this reversible Bibs Boho inspired that has been a trend for some time. So I want to make my own DIY version of it. It's not only fashionable and trendy, it's also practical and of course it's absorbent. It's fully customized, you can add lace and other things to make it fancy. It is perfect for a newborn gift, baptism, or any special event. Sure, it's truly appreciable special gift. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You may also share these DIY projects to your friends or on social. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting projects. Thank you. Bye.